My name is Christina Copeland. I'm the inventor of LymeX, a natural lawn grass patented to help prevent Lyme disease. Lyme disease is an infection caused by the bite of ticks, which are unfortunately widespread in the areas people live and play. These ticks are carried by different kinds of wildlife, including deer and rodents like mice and rats, among others, which share our yards and woodlands. Some of these ticks are so small you can hardly see them. LymeX works to prevent Lyme disease because, unlike typical lawn grasses, which are a prized food source for deer and other wildlife, LymeX is not a preferred food source to the animals which carry ticks. Less wildlife in your lawn, less ticks. Lyme disease can cause disabling chronic health problems and remains poorly understood. Having contracted Lyme disease myself, I know how devastating the illness can be. When I realized this naturally occurring grass could also prevent the spread of Lyme disease, I knew I had made a valuable discovery that needed to be shared with others. I'm happy to be able to offer this LymeX lawn grass to the public so you too can help protect your family and pets from the ticks that can cause this terrible disease. Just click on the link within lymexlawn.com.